Now let's see some concepts of compound interest. What is the compound interest? As we saw, the interest is compounded at each conversion period. The conversion period means the period that is given. Now suppose it can be compounded annually as well as quarterly as well as half-yearly, like that. Based upon this, the conversion period thing. What is the conversion period? A period at which the end of the interest and which the interest is compound is called a conversion period. Suppose if compounded, if I am telling compounded semi-annually or half-yearly. Now for an years it is the conversion is 2 times an year. If it is compounded quarterly mean 4 times in a year it is compounded. The interest is compounded 4 times. That is called conversion period. Now as we saw in the simple interest, the principal remains the same for the entire period. Now here the principal does not remain the same. It gets added up with the interest, and for we choose a percentage as per that interest. Now what is the formula for compound interest? A is equal to P into 1 plus I the whole power n. P is a principal, as we know, the sum or a principal. I is the rate of interest. You can also write I is equal to R by 100. We learned P and R by 100, like the same way, rate interest by 100. What is N? N is the number of conversion period. Now, if I am telling compounded semi-annually or half-yearly, the conversion period is 2. And if I am telling for 5 years, 5 years mean 5 into 2, 10 times it is compounded. Now if I am telling quarterly, then quarterly mean it's 4 times in a year. So that if I am telling 10 years of quarterly compounding, it will be 4 into 10 times, 40 times it is compounded. This number of periods, number of years into period. This you are going to use all these things with the formula. And what is common interest? Amount minus principal. The same thing. Amount minus principal. I am taking principal out. The same formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus I the whole power n, and it will be the CA is, it is amount minus P. Annual rate of interest is I is equal to annual rate of interest divided by number of conversion per year. Now let's see. Now in this problem, on what sum will the compound interest at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually be rupees 1640? Now here I will write the given data here on what sum, so that principal is the one we are going to find. The compound interest at 5%. 5% means I is equal to R by 100. I will write step by step. 5 by 100, which will be equal to 0.05. And at the last we have one more thing, the per annum for 2 years compounded annually. Compounded annually means the number of conversion per year is 1 divided by 1, as we saw, annual rate of interest by number of conversion period, which will be 0.05, no problem. If it is, suppose they have given quarterly, then divided by 2, 0.05 divided by 2. Understood now? Now here the compound interest is rupees 1640, and the number of years is 2 years, and the conversion period is annually. That is not a problem. Then only 2 times it is compounded. Now 2 into 2, 2 into 1 is 2. Now actually formula for compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, that is P into 1 plus I the whole power n minus P. I am taking P outside here. I am deriving the formula. Now here compound interest value we know 1640 is equal to P 1 plus 0.05 the whole power n is 2. So that I am bringing P to the side. 1640 divided by, now here minus 1, I left it, 1 plus I minus 1 divided by 1.05 minus 1, the now the whole square to be 1 plus 0.05 whole square minus 1. It will be 1640. On simplification it comes 1.1025 minus 1, and the answer is 16,000 rupees. Understood? Here you have to carefully look at compounded annually or quarterly, or that in this, and the number of years. Then multiply with the number of years and the conversion period per year, and that is n, and I is equal to r by 100, that rate percent by number of conversions per year. Now in this problem you can pause this video and try on your own. Determine the compound amount and compound interest on rupees 1000 at 6% compounded semi-annually. Compounded semi-annually. So that 2 times per year is compounded. Then for 6 years. 2 times per year, and now for 6 years. Now I am going to write the data given. Principal P is rupees 1000, and what is rate of interest is 6%, so that 0.06 divided by 2. Why it is 2? Because semi-annually or half yearly. It will become 0.03 percentage. Now next, n they have given. What is n for 6 years? 6 years into how much time conversion period? Conversion period is 2 times a year. 12 conversions. Now here they have the given data, the P, I and N. Now determine the compound amount. First, amount is equal to P into 1 plus I the whole power N. What is P? Rupees 1000. 1 plus 0.03 the whole power 12. What is N is 12. Number of years into the number of conversion period. Now the answer will be 1000 into 1.425. 1.425. Here 1425.76. Got the compound amount. Now if you know the amount, you can easily find the value for compound interest, which is amount minus principal. See what is the compound interest value, will be equal to 1425.76 minus the principal, that is 1000, contribution 425.76 rupees. Now in this third problem, what annual rate of interest compounded annually doubles an investment in 7 years? So the data we have given is 7 years. Now here compounded annually, so that number of conversion is 1 per year. Doubles an investment in 7 years. So that for if I take principal as x, as we saw in simple interest problem, what will be the amount? 2x. First if I put x amount, x money, it will become 2x money in 7 years. Then in that I am going to find what is I here. Then number, as we saw, number of years is 7 here. Now what is amount formula? Amount is equal to P into 1 plus I the whole power n. Amount is 2x, here x, 1 plus I the whole power 7. Number of conversion is 7. Here I can cancel 2x 2x. Now 2 is equal to 1 plus I the whole power 7. 1 plus I becomes, as we learned in the indices chapter, goes here 1 by 2 power 1 by 7. Now the value for 2 by 1 by 7 is 2 power 1 by 7 is 1040, 1 plus I. And next step, I is equal to 1.1040 minus 1, which is 0.1040. So that if I am taking now percentage, I is equal to percent required rate is equal to 10.40 percentage.